These red fruits in my hand are dried goji berries. They have many benefits such as protecting the liver, improving the vision, and boosting immunity system, earning them the title of Oriental superfruits.
讲锁鲜枸杞，那么1克锁鲜枸杞能卖到1块2毛钱，那这个价值感应该是过去也是几十倍的这样一个增值。
The story of Beryl is a microcosm of Chinese enterprises accelerating the cultivation of new quality productive forces. Here I have witnessed the changes brought about the technological innovation. Products are more diverse, the consumer base is expanding, and businesses are becoming more competitive.